Wait a second. If you spend $10,000 in a year, would you rather get $300 in cash back or a free round-trip flight to Europe? That's the million-dollar question when it comes to cashback versus travel cards in the USA. And in this video, we're going to settle it once and for all. But here's the twist. The winner isn't the same for everyone. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one pays you more. So stick around, because I'll also share some insider hacks that banks don't want you to know about maximizing rewards. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon, because every week we break down personal finance strategies that save you money and grow your wealth. Just a quick disclaimer at this point before I proceed, for you to know that all information shared in this video is only for educational purposes, and you are free to do your own research or consult a financial advisor before applying whatever you learn here. Now let's get started. Credit cards are a tool, and just like any tool, they work best when you pick the right one for the job. In the US alone, there are over 1 billion active credit cards, and banks use fancy marketing to convince you that their card is the best. But let's be honest, most of us just want to know one thing. Which card type actually puts more money back into my pocket? Cashback cards? Simple, straightforward money in your hand. Travel cards? Flashier, big points, and the dream of free vacations. So, let's break them down side by side, starting with cashback cards. Cashback cards are the simplest reward system ever. Here's how they work. Spend $100 at the grocery store, get $2 back. Fill up your gas tank for $50, get $1.50 back. Pay your phone bill for $80, get $1.60 back. At the end of the month, those rewards either show up as a statement credit, cash deposit, or gift card. Pros of cashback cards. Easy to understand. Cash is cash. No complicated point systems or blackout travel dates. Best for people who want flexibility and don't travel often. Many great no annual fee options. Cons of cashback cards. Usually capped. 1% to 3% on most categories. Rewards don't grow in value. $1 earned is $1 spent. No big sign-up bonuses compared to travel cards. But here's the hook. Cashback cards are perfect for people who want guaranteed value. No guessing. No, maybe this flight will cost 50,000 points. Now let's talk about the glamorous competitor travel cards. Travel cards are like the rock stars of credit cards. Instead of cash, you earn points or miles. For example, spend $1,000, get 20,000 miles as a bonus. Spend $100 at restaurants, earn 3 points per dollar. Redeem those points. Free flights, hotel stays, lounge access. Pros of travel cards. Huge sign-up bonuses, sometimes worth $500 to $1,000 in travel. Travel perks, free bags, upgrades, airport lounge access. Points can sometimes be worth 2 times or 3 times when redeemed smartly. Perfect for people who travel at least once or twice a year. Cons of travel cards. Complicated. Different airlines, blackout dates, confusing transfer partners. Many have annual fees ranging from $95 to $695. Points value can change. Devaluations happen often. If you don't travel, rewards may feel useless. Here's the payoff. Travel cards can give you way more value, but only if you actually redeem the rewards strategically. Otherwise, cashback usually wins. All right, let's put cashback and travel cards side by side in a real-life scenario. Imagine you spend $20,000 per year on your card, divided like this. $8,000 groceries and dining, $6,000 travel and gas, $6,000 other purchases. With a 2% cashback card, you'd earn $400 back, guaranteed. Simple. With a travel rewards card, say 2 points per dollar, plus a 60,000 point sign-up bonus worth $600. First year, you'd earn about 100,000 points total. Depending on redemption, that could be worth $1,200 in flights and hotels. After year 1, closer to $400 to $600 in value each year, depending on how you redeem. So what's the verdict? If you value simplicity and guaranteed money, cashback wins. If you value maximizing perks and free travel, travel cards win. But hold on. What about people who want the best of both worlds? Here's where it gets interesting. You don't actually have to pick just one. The ultimate strategy is to combine both. Use a cashback card for everyday purchases like utilities, subscriptions, and bills. Use a travel rewards card for dining, travel, and big sign-up bonuses. This way, you guarantee steady cash savings and maximize travel perks. Pro tip: always pay your balance in full. Otherwise, the interest completely wipes out your rewards, and trust me, banks are counting on that mistake. Also, look out for rotating category cards like 5% on gas one quarter, 5% on groceries another. Pairing these with a travel card can maximize your return even more. So cashback versus travel cards in the USA. What pays more? The truth is, it depends on you. If you rarely travel, cashback is the clear winner. If you travel at least once a year and don't mind learning the game, travel cards can easily give you 2 to 3 times more value. And if you're smart, use both and play the system to your advantage. Now I want to hear from you. Are you Team Cashback or Team Travel Rewards? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'm curious to see which side wins. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we've got more credit card breakdowns, money-saving hacks, and personal finance tips coming your way every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not about how much you spend, it's about how smart you spend. See you in the next one.